So I'm going to let you in on a little secret, guys, on how I was able to attain this nice, crispy cheek line that I have never been able to attain before. It's makeup. And I'm going to tell you all about it. So welcome, guys. My name is Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. We're not growing our best beard possible today. We're taking the beard we have and trying to make it look as best we can. So what I have bought is off Amazon. I have gotten the beard pen. It says follicle booster. It's not really boosting anything. It's really pretty much the same as an eyebrow pencil that your significant other might have used. So this is what it looks like. I'll try to show the video of me actually putting it on, but one end looks like this, and you twist it up and it comes up. So you just want it out just a little bit if you are going to use it, and you just kind of brush it on in spots wherever you want it. And it can fill in some gaps or some patchy areas if you're growing out for the first time, or if you want to make the cheek line a little bit better, or maybe you mess up on something, you want to fill it in temporarily. The other end looks like the little brush that you may have seen before. So then you can brush that on and it will kind of spread through your hair a little bit more. The great thing is it's temporary. If you mess up putting it on, you don't like the way it looks, you just take your washcloth and wipe it back off. There's no big deal on that. You're not dyeing your beard. It's not something that's going to be permanent or long lasting. But if you got a photo shoot coming up, or you're not feeling confident that day, whatever you need to do to make yourself feel better, you can use your beard pen and make that work. So I paid $12.70 off Amazon. I'll put some Amazon links below if you're interested. They had 6 colors, so pretty good choices there. Jet black, black, medium black. I don't know what the difference is between those. And then there's dark brown, and light reddish brown. I got light brown. Maybe I missed the light reddish brown. I probably should have gotten that one. But anyway, I think it looks pretty natural for me. I dyed my beard a few months back. And then my cheek lines there got a little bit more defined because the hair that was there, the little, I've got a lot of blonde hairs and red hairs and white hairs, and they got a little bit darker. They were all a little bit more uniform, but they didn't fill in the area as well. I've got some pretty big gaps here between my mustache and where the rest of my beard is, and now it's covered up pretty well. So I think it looks pretty natural. Maybe if you got in there with a microscope looking for it and knew that something looked different, you may could have picked it out, but I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. Give yourself some confidence. Let me know if you would ever consider using a fill-in pen at some point. I thought it was pretty neat. If it can give you some confidence, I'm all for it. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll be seeing you soon for another video.